Right, this is start to finish installing the carburetor on a 150cc Baja buggy. First of all, he's connected the inlet manifold. He slid that on. He's just taking the rubber plastic gloves off now, getting it out the way. It's like a breather pipe. That's all seated nicely. Now he's going to install two 10mm nuts on the manifold. Okay, now it's the accelerator, which is right here. That's a 12mm wrench. Whoops. Put the nipple in the accelerator cable. Connect the choke up. Don't worry about tightening it. Connect the choke. It's hanging down, I think, isn't it? And like I say, I don't know if it's the automatic choke that's screwing us up. Then it'd be the fuel line, but I think we're going to replace the fuel line, aren't we, Ethan? Yeah. So I think it's all done now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just put the air filter on. We've just taken off the original one and we put the Chinese one on. Basically that's it, the carburetor is back on, apart from the fuel line, and that's just a few seconds, and we're going to replace that anyway, so time that out now.